If you are looking for the best 60% keyboard, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. MOTOSPEED 3.0 60% keyboard. The MOTOSPEED CK62 comes in black and white colors and with red or blue Outemu switches. It also has full RGB backlighting and solid build quality with the body made of durable plastic. It flexes a bit but feels quality enough. The keyboard is pleasant to type on and the two switch choices are great for typing, blue switches or gaming, red switches. ABS keycaps feel solid and should last for years. The keyboard offers Bluetooth or Number 2. Cooler Master SK621 60% keyboard. The Cooler Master SK621 also features excellent RGB backlighting, some additional keys such as arrow keys, and extra features such as macro recording, wireless and wired connectivity with support of up to 3 devices at the same time, and the aforementioned low-profile form factor. It's great for gaming but not meant for typing. If you want a low-profile 60% keyboard for typing, to check out the Vortex Ultra Slim POK3 RV2. It's not as slim but as amazing for typing. Number 3. Razer Huntsman Mini 60% gaming keyboard. Need a bit more of a custom keymap layout? The Razer Synapse is probably the best non-QMK via 60% software experience on the market, allowing you to add additional FN keys and customize the secondary layer to an extent. It also doesn't hurt that the Huntsman Mini has PBT keycaps, a solid linear optical switch option, and good stabilizers with a USB-C detachable cable. Overall, this is a nice and useful 60% keyboard that you could buy today. Number 4. AND Pro 2 60% mechanical keyboard. The AND Pro 2 is a solid 60% keyboard that offers a wireless option in case you want to rid yourself of messy cables on your desk. Unfortunately, the wireless mode isn't inputted lag-free like it is on gaming controllers, so I would avoid playing competitive games with it in wireless mode. Luckily, the wired mode is lag-free. The AND Pro 2 offers a wireless mechanical keyboard at an affordable price. If you like the flexibility of having a wireless keyboard but still care about having a decent mech experience while saving money, this one for you. Number 5. RK Royal KLUDGE 60% mechanical keyboard. The RK61 is our super budget pick, coming at under $50 USD. For this price, you get a wireless mechanical keyboard with multiple switch options in a 60% form factor. While this keyboard won't blow any minds, it's pretty incredible value for a budget gamer looking for a 60% keyboard. The RK61 even offers Bluetooth connectivity with multiple devices for extra flexibility. The keyboard itself is mediocre, the keyboard is built well enough, the feel of the switches and stabilizers is only okay, but you can't ask much at this price point.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.